Welcome to this calming, guided mindfulness meditation session. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Today we'll explore the double inhale or physiological sigh breathing technique to help you release stress and find calmness. Begin by setting an intention for this practice. What do you want to cultivate? Peace, relaxation, clarity. Take a moment to reflect. Bring your awareness to your body. Start at the top of your head and slowly scan down. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. As you breathe in, imagine softening and relaxing those areas. Exhale any tension. As you relax your body, bring your awareness back to your breath. Practicing the double inhale or physiological sigh. Inhale deeply through your nose. Inhale once again, and exhale slowly through your mouth for a longer count. We'll repeat this cycle a few times. Inhale deeply through your nose, 3, 4. Breathe in once again, 3, 4. Exhale slowly through the mouth, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale deeply through the nose. Inhaling again. Exhaling slowly through the mouth. Inhale deeply through the nose. Inhale again. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Inhale deeply through your nose. Inhale again. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow yourself to fall to your natural breath. Observe the rise and fall of your chest, or the sensation of air entering and leaving your nostrils. No need to change anything. Just be present with your breath. Thoughts may arise. That's normal. Acknowledge them without judgment. Imagine placing those thoughts on clouds and letting them float away in the breeze. Returning to your breath. As you continue to breathe normally or practicing your double inhale mindfully, imagine a warm, soothing light moving through your body, melting away any remaining tension. Feel your muscles relax from your toes to your head. Practicing another round of double inhale. Inhale deeply through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale again. 2, 3, 4. And exhale slowly through your mouth. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale deeply through the nose. Inhale again. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Knowing that this breathing is always available to you at any moment. Take this moment to express gratitude for the time spent that you've dedicated to yourself. As you exhale, release any lingering stress or negativity. As you inhale, let your heart fill with gratitude and calmness. Whenever you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Remember that when you return to this practice, it'll always offer you a moment of calm. The divine in me recognizes the divine in you. Thank you. Namaste.